पहला वीडियो में हम लोग ह्यूमन प्रोडक्शन का जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, उस टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कस किया था। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम टॉपिक के ऊपर। ओके, तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो मेरा चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर ले, ताकि जो अपकमिंग वीडियो है उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपका पास हो जाए। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। ओके, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। In female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, fallopian tube, uterus, and external genital organ like vagina. Okay. In the female reproductive system, perform activities like oogenesis, fertilization, pregnancy, perpetuation, and child care. Okay. This part and this part is called fallopian tube. Okay. It is also known as uterine tube for selfings that is straight from ureter to the ovaries. It is 10 to 12 centimeter long pair tubes that divided into 3 parts. Okay. The first part is infundibulum, dilated portion having finger projection like called fembrae. Okay. And second part is ampulla. It is widest and longest part. Okay. And the last part, that isthmus, it is a short, narrow and thick vault of the fallopian tube. Next part is ovary. This part and this part is called ovary. Okay. It is a primary sex organ present in pair. जो कि प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन होता है, दो तरह की होता है, ओवरीज। ओके, ovaries have two main reproductive function in the body. मानव शरीर में ओवरीज का दो तरह का फंक्शन होता है, जैसे दे प्रोड्यूस oocyte फॉर फर्टिलाइजेशन, वो एक को फर्टिलाइजेशन के लिए प्रोड्यूस करता है, एंड दे ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस द रिप्रोडक्टिव हार्मोन्स लाइक एस्ट्रोजन एंड progesterone. Okay, they also produce hormone like estrogen and progesterone. Okay, next, the ovaries release an egg that midway point of the is menstrual cycle. Okay, next part, this part is known as mesothelium. Okay, the mesothelium is the portion of the board ligament of the uterus that suspends the ovaries. The ovary is not covered by the mesothelium, it is covered by germinal epithelium. Okay, जो ओवरी होता है is not by covered mesothelium, it is covered by germinal epithelium. Okay, next, this part is called uterus. Okay, it is a hollow muscular organ located in the female pelvis between bladder and rectum. ये एक होलो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन होता है जो कि ब्लैडर एंड रेक्टम के बीच में होता है. ओके. The ovaries produce egg that travel through the fallopian tubes. Once the eggs have left the ovary, it can be fertilized and imprint itself in the lining of the uterus. Okay. Furthermore, it helps pushing out the baby during birth through muscular contraction. Okay. Uterus has 3 layers like endometrium. It is the inner layer that lines the uterus. It is made up of glandular cells that make secretion, जो कि glandular cell से बना हुआ है. And the second is myometrium. This part is known myometrium. It is the middle and thickest layer of the uterus wall. Okay. जो कि मिडिल में होता है, थिक एंड लेयर होता है. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज पेरीमेट्रियम. ओके. पेरीमेट्रियम is the outer serous layer of the uterus. This is the layer is the outer layer is perimetrium. Okay. And the next part is vagina. This part is called vagina. Okay. Vagina is an elastical muscle canal with a soft flexible lining that provided lubrication and sensation. The vagina connected the uterus to the outside of world. Okay. It is approximately 10 cm long, stable tube which receives sperm during the intercourse from a part of birth canal during pasteurization and serves as a passing way for menstrual flow. Okay. और 10 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग स्टेबल ट्यूब होता है जो रिसीव करता है स्पर्म को. ओके. Vagina wall consists of 3 layers like mucosa, muscularis, adventitia. Okay. Vagina has 3 layers like that: internal mucosal layer, second intermediate muscularis layer, and the last is external advential layer. Okay.